Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a circular bar chart in Excel. If you see, we have a bar chart, but it is represented by small circles. The percentage is represented in this reddish color, whereas the remaining is in gray color. If we change this percentage, for example, if I put 25%, the chart automatically updates. And if I put 100%, you see the entire bar is in red circles. So let's see how we create this chart in Excel. So in our data point, we have the full percentage and the percentage value which we want to represent. First, you need to go and select your data, go to Insert, and put a clustered bar chart. Next, go to the series to format axis, minimum as 0 and maximum as 1. Then if you see, we have two individual series over here. We want them in a single series. So we select the chart and do switch row columns. So we see we get a single series here. Just remove the grid lines, remove the chart title, and remove the axis from it. Let's also remove the axis from here. The next step is you go to shapes, select the oval shape, use the shift key and drag a circle. Shape outline is no outline and shape fill is this red color. Copy this, make another representation, and again the fill of this, put it to gray. So we have created two circles, one of red color and one of gray color. Now select your gray circle, go to your full series and paste it. Then go to full options, stack and scale width, here put it as 0.1. Repeat it for the percent value also. Copy this, select the percent series, paste it, go to the fill, stack and scale with 0.1 and OK. Now we have both the series. Now select any one of the series, format data series, and here in series overlap, which is this particular section, make it to 100%. So you see the red circles completely overlap the gray ones. Just adjust it a little bit. Let's try a different percentage, 15%, 100%, 95%, 85%. It's a completely dynamic chart. So you can use any colors which you want. This is a circular bar chart because we have a bar fashion chart, but we have circles on top of it. So it's an infographic chart and you can use it for any of your requirements. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.